Hello and welcome to our channel, Sundrg Health. Today's topic is hair growth and thick hair. Discover 10 effective natural home remedies. Are you tired of dealing with hair loss, dryness, or breakage? Don't worry. There are simple and affordable ways to achieve hair growth and improve the overall health of your hair. Natural remedies like coconut oil, honey, avocado, and banana, as well as lifestyle changes like a balanced diet and regular exercise, can work wonders. That's not all. Scalp massage and aloe vera gel are excellent natural treatments that can help regrow hair. However, remember that the effectiveness of these methods may vary from person to person and depend on the cause of hair loss. If you're experiencing significant hair loss or have underlying health issues, it's always a good idea to seek advice from a healthcare provider or dermatologist. Let's get your hair back to looking healthy and fabulous. Here are 10 home remedies for promoting hair growth. Before starting, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for our channel to receive more insightful updates on nutrition and health. Your support can help us to spread the word and reach out to more people who need these tips. So, let's begin. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural hair care product that can help maintain hair strength, health, and beauty. It contains fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, which can penetrate the hair shaft and reduce protein loss, promoting healthy, strong, and shiny hair. Coconut oil can enrich the scalp's microbiome, promoting a healthier environment for hair follicles and improving hair growth and overall health. The application method depends on the hair type, and for best results, you should use coconut oil once or twice a week. To use coconut oil, comb it through your hair evenly, wrap it in a bun, let it sit for a few hours, and rinse with a gentle shampoo. Repeat this process once or twice a week for the best results. If time is limited, you can oil your hair overnight and rinse the following day, making it convenient for busy schedules or those who prefer less frequent oiling. 2. Hibiscus. The hibiscus flower is a powerful antioxidant that guards hair against free radicals, preventing hair loss and other hair problems. Its vitamin C helps stop further damage. The flower also has vital nutrients such as phosphorus and calcium, strengthening hair and preventing breakage. It also has amino acids that nourish hair follicles and improve scalp blood circulation, promoting healthy hair growth. To use hibiscus flower for hair, grind 3-4 flowers and leaves, add water and olive oil. Apply the paste to hair starting from roots. Wait 15 minutes, then rinse it off. Regular use can lead to stronger, healthier hair. 3. Onion juice. Onion juice is a natural remedy to improve hair growth, treat patchy hair loss, and enhance scalp health. It contains sulfur and flavonoids that deliver more nutrients to hair follicles and protect hair from infections and free radicals. Onion juice can also treat alopecia areata and promote the growth of keratinocyte growth factor. To use onion juice for hair care, chop and blend a few onions, apply the juice to the scalp and hair. Let it sit for 15 minutes to an hour. Rinse thoroughly, and follow up with shampoo. However, onion juice has a strong smell, so mix it with other natural ingredients like honey, aloe vera, or coconut oil. Do a patch test to ensure no allergic reactions. 4. Massage. Hair oils and masks can stimulate the scalp and improve hair thickness by stretching dermal papilla cells at the base of hair follicles. A 2019 study found that regular scalp massages can improve hair growth, blood flow, and scalp health. They can also alleviate stress and tension, which contribute to hair loss. Use fingertips instead of fingernails and apply light to medium pressure in small circular motions. The study found that participants received daily scalp massages for 4 minutes over 24 weeks, with no specific duration. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera can reduce hair loss, condition the hair, reduce dandruff, and unblock hair follicles. However, more research is needed to confirm these claims. To use aloe vera for hair, apply pure gel to the scalp a few times a week or use shampoos and conditioners with aloe vera. It soothes irritation and inflammation, while its antibacterial and antifungal properties can prevent scalp infections. However, it may not suit everyone, so it's best to consult a healthcare professional before using it as a hair care remedy. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this information valuable. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you. 6. Green tea. Green tea contains 𝐥𝐸𝐤𝐳, an antioxidant that protects hair and scalp from damage and hair loss. It reduces inflammation in hair follicles, enhances hair follicle activity, and promotes growth. Drinking green tea daily provides vital nutrients and antioxidants, and using it as a hair rinse improves hair health. To rinse the hair, brew 2 tea bags in boiling water, let them cool, transfer them to a spray bottle, spray on damp hair, massage, and rinse with cold water after 30 minutes. This will help achieve healthier, shinier, and more voluminous hair. 7. Ginseng. Ginseng is a traditional Chinese herb that promotes hair growth and increases thickness. It stimulates keratinocyte formation in hair follicles, which produces keratin, the main building block of hair. By countering the effects of certain enzymes that inhibit hair growth, ginseng can prevent thinning or balding. To use ginseng for hair growth, apply ginseng powder to your dry scalp and massage gently to stimulate blood circulation. For best results, oil the ginseng first to help the powder spread evenly and penetrate deeper into the hair follicles. Regular use of ginseng can lead to thicker, fuller, and more vibrant hair. 8. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil can stimulate new hair growth and prevent hair loss. It is suggested to be an effective treatment for hair loss and androgenetic alopecia. Mix rosemary oil with a carrier oil and massage it into your scalp a few times weekly. Add it to shampoo and conditioner daily, or rinse your hair with a few drops of water. However, avoid using essential oils directly on your skin, which can cause skin irritation. 9. Geranium oil. Geranium, a South African perennial flowering plant, is known for its sweet-smelling and aromatic leaves used in aromatherapy and perfumery. The geranium essential oil extracted from its leaves has been shown to have potential benefits for hair growth and scalp health. In a 2017 animal study, geranium oil was found to improve circulation and promote hair growth in mice due to its ability to stimulate blood flow to hair follicles and enhance nutrient delivery to the scalp. To use geranium oil for hair growth, mix 3 drops with 8 drops of carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil. Apply it directly to the hair and scalp, or add a few drops to the shampoo or conditioner. Regular use can improve hair texture, nourish the scalp, and promote hair growth naturally. 10. Lemon oil. A 2016 animal study found that lemon oil can improve scalp health and hair growth due to certain compounds. A 2021 review suggests that cyanopic acid, a bioactive chemical in lemons, may also have hair growth promoting properties. To use these benefits, apply fresh lemon juice 15 minutes before shampooing or use lemon essential oil diluted in carrier oil as part of a hair mask. These compounds can support healthy hair growth and maintain a healthy scalp. Please note, the video and its associated articles and websites, as well as all text, images, and other content on the channel, are provided solely for educational purposes. The content does not replace professional medical diagnosis, treatment, or advice. Thank you. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? We want to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.